Picture the early days of drag racing, where polished muscle cars ruled the asphalt. Then came the rebels, rat rods. These raw, home-built machines, often cobbled together from scrapyard treasures and repurposed parts, brought a fresh, gritty flavor to the racing scene. Rat rod drag racing tracks emerged in the post-war era, appearing on abandoned airstrips, dusty rural roads, and even makeshift stretches behind barns. Enthusiasts constructed tracks using whatever materials were at hand: salvaged wood for timing towers, old tires for barriers, and spray-painted start lines on cracked pavement. Iconic events like the Rat Rod Rumble and the Rust Revival became magnets for creativity, attracting builders who turned trash into speed demons. On these tracks, the spirit of competition thrived alongside camaraderie and the celebration of ingenuity. Spectators cheered not just for the fastest cars, but for the most imaginative and daring rides. Today, Rat Rod drag racing honors its roots with events that blend nostalgia, innovation, and the pure thrill of racing, keeping the DIY legacy alive and inspiring new generations of builders and racers.